The 20-inch Calthorpe is a versatile ceiling fan with a hook and power cord that is perfectly suited for nearly any room or covered patio. We'll show you how to install the fan with step-by-step instructions. If you feel that you do not have enough electrical wiring knowledge or experience, have your fan installed by a licensed electrician. Installation requires a hanging structure that is suited for fan support of up to 30 pounds. You will also need a stepladder, Phillips screwdriver, and about 15 minutes to install the fan. With your equipment ready and your new ceiling fan unpacked, you can now begin the installation. First, prepare the motor by removing the clevis pin and cotter pin. Loosen the two collar set screws. Slide the coupling cover onto the downrod assembly. Then insert the downrod into the motor coupling. Align the holes on the downrod with the holes on the collar. Then insert the clevis pin and cotter pin. Tighten the two collar set screws. Bring the fan motor assembly up to the hanging structure. Hang the motor and ensure the spring clip is properly locked into place. Now you can plug the cord into a 3-prong outlet. The installation is complete and the fan is now ready to operate. The fan is operated with a dial located on top of the motor assembly. The fan can be set to high speed, medium speed, low speed, and off. Congratulations! You are now ready to use your brand new ceiling fan. Want more details or have any questions? Just call the customer service number in your owner's manual. Thank you for watching.